Before this starts, this drama is solely for the comedy purpose only and full of imaginary and crackheads, so please, don't bully us. Enjoy! And now the magic. Do you have the same problem with her? Are you broke but still want to look at our Valentine's date? Dear Jolie is here to give you some tips on what to wear on your Valentine's date. Are you ready? For the first look, if you're going to date with a nice man who dresses neat, chic, and maturely, we have color combination with a touch of maturity in the shape of the outfit. You should try to combine lilac, baby pink, nude, and white. These colors give you a great harmony. This makes you look young, fresh, and bright. In here, Audrey wears lilac blazer dress from Shein, combined with a little nude bag and Scandinavian open-toe white mid-heels, and clear beads choker to complete her look. Meanwhile, in here, I wear a lilac tank top covered with a cropped baby pink blazer, midi span skirt from Zara, and pink nudish stiletto. Blazer dress and midi span skirt give you a touch of maturity. For the second look, we have midi pleated skirt, which can transform our look both feminine or girly. If you want to look younger, try to match the outfit like Audrey does. She wear a pink pleated skirt together with off-shoulder white shirt, with white loafers and pearl necklace. You can wear multiple pearl necklace to add more details, but if you feel like it's too much, wear the choker per one will be nice. And in here, I wear nude pleated skirt combined with the oversized semi-blazer outerwear, and wear belts to give a silhouette of your body. And to give Scandinavian touch, wear an open-toe mid-heels. And voila! This is our second look. For the third look, we have Parisian style here. Combining pattern blazer with a white skirt and mini skirt, and black boots is always a good choice. Or you can change the mini skirt into jeans. Giving a little touch of beret will also give you a more Parisian look. If you date with a nice man who likes to dress in Parisian style, you can go absolutely with this look. And for the fourth look, if you date with a nice man who can turn from sexy to lovely, like Chim Chim, this look may be the one for you. In here, Audrey wears a white shirt from Three Monkeys, denim outer from TEMT, and shirt from H&M, and black boots from Stradivarius. This Audrey looks reminds me of Jennie outfit in solo choreography version MV. Don't you think so? Meanwhile, I wear cropped black tank top covered with a black denim jacket and flare striped black and white midi skirt and black boots from Zara. Last but not least, go to dearjolie.com to find other recommendations on similar and affordable clothes like we wear. On top of that, whoever you are dating with, be with someone that you can totally be who you really are and motivates you to be a better version of yourself. And vice versa. Mutual loves, happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit dearjolie.com.